Hello guys, how are you? It's Goli. Welcome to another video. So interesting video, I would say. And today we want to inspect the TLS certificate. We want to see what exactly is written inside a certificate. So in our case today we will connect to Amazon, but of course you can do it with all the websites that you are using daily or whatever you want. And we are also using OpenSSL, so it's a tool that can do a lot of things, but today we will use it to interact with the certificate and to read and get the certificate. So let's get started. And the first thing is that we should get the certificate from Amazon, from the web service. And yeah, OpenSSL, sclient-connect amazon.com. So this command will connect to Amazon and get the certificate. So this is the certificate. You can see end of certificate. And here is the beginning of the certificate. So this is encoded in base 64. Therefore, I want to just copy that. And I will paste in Amazon. So I just use Vim to create another file. And yeah, I just copy paste the certificate here. Then I save the file in Vim, so you can do it. You can do it with Nano or whatever. It doesn't matter. So you just need to decode this file and save this file and then decode it. So now I have that file and I use another command to make that readable for human. So OpenSSL. Yeah, x509, and yeah, so we want to give this file to make it readable. And yeah, you can see here now we have the certificate itself here. So basically this is a certificate that when you want to connect to Amazon, it sends the user, and then yeah, they can go further. So first of all, I want to talk about this version. So there are many things in the certificate. So we start from here and we go to the end, and we will cover everything here. So first of all, this is the version, and this is the version of X509. So it's not the version of TLS. Just keep this in mind. And there are different versions of X509, so but the latest one is 3, and it gives us the opportunity to add extensions here, to add extensions to the certificate as well. So this is the latest version. The second part is serial number. So this is the serial number of this certificate. So when a user, me, you, or whatever, who wants to connect to Amazon, so when Amazon sends this certificate, the user can use this to validate the certificate, to see if the certificate is valid or not. And after that, so this is a signature algorithm, so we will talk about it later. And here is the issuer. So issuer is the certificate authority, is the organization who sign actually this certificate. So you see it's in US, the organization is DigiCert, and the common name is DigiCert Global. Yeah, this is the name of the issuer. And then the validity here we can check. So this certificate was not valid before this date and won't be valid after this date. So in TLS we specify exactly the duration. And here is subject. So this is CN, stands for common name, and here is, you can see this is the common name. So you say, okay, where is the Amazon here? Yeah, we will go and check where exactly Amazon is. I mean Amazon.com, because Amazon.com is just one of the services or one of the websites that is using this certificate. There are lots of other Amazons, so Amazon.de, Amazon. Whatever, all.com, and all of them are using this. So this is a general certificate, and you can see here. So here they specified, so also subdomains of this domain also are validated. So basically, I would say this is the mother domain. Okay, and now let's continue. Here we can see the information about public key. So I had another video how RSA generates public and private key and the calculation of that, so you can watch that as well if you are interested. So but here you can see this is the modulus number and this is the public key number, and basically both of them are here. And after that, so they are the extensions. So extensions are some of them are really complicated. I mean, they need more explanation, so I don't want to enter that area, but just I will pick some of them and I will explain them. So here you can see alternative names. So now you can see all of these addresses are using or are validated by this certificate. So .com, .co.uk, .de, and everything. So this certificate is validating this mother domain and also these domains. So now I think I answered, or we have found the answer why we couldn't see Amazon.com at the top. And after that, for example, there, if I wanna say, another thing about the extension, you can also see here. So the user, so how can they see if this certificate is really valid or not? So we can see here, we can go to these addresses and check that serial number. We had it here. So we can check this serial number here and to see if the certificate is revoked or it's still valid, and other much more information here, which I don't want to dive in now, but maybe in future I will create another video to explain them more, because TLS is really interesting topic for me recently, and now I'm really reading about that. So because it's interesting for me, I want to learn how it works, what exactly is going on, and I will upload also videos which I found informative and interesting. And at the end here we can see this is the signature algorithm and this is the signature value. So this certificate was hashed by SHA-256, 256, and RSA encryption. So it means the certificate authority has signed this certificate with RSA encryption. So it means they have signed this certificate with their private key. So certificate authority use their private key to sign this certificate, and the public key of certificate authority is inside our Google Chrome or Firefox or Safari. When we download them, they are already there, and then our browser checks this. So for example, here is DigiCert. As you saw, the issuer was DigiCert, so the public key of DigiCert is already inside our Google Chrome or Firefox, and then they can check and they can decrypt this. Also this is the algorithm the certificate authority used to hash it. So, and here is the value, you can see that. So I hope you enjoyed that. So for me it was really interesting, and then I thought that maybe I can share it with you guys, but I will create more videos about TLS, but I think this is one of the most interesting things. So I hope you enjoyed that, and that's it. So have a nice day, see you.